Hi everyone, my name is Aizat Musaiwa and we are Team 3. Today we'll be talking about how leaders identify and exploit opportunities to enhance organizational effectiveness. Next slide, please. Leadership is all about recognizing and acting on opportunities. So in our presentation, in the first part, we will talk about the proactive and reactive leadership. In our second part of the case presentation, we will focus on our case study. So in our case study is about our startup facing challenges, and we will talk how to overcome these challenges and the impact of these challenges. Yes. Now let's talk about the differences of the proactive and reactive leadership. Proactive leaders, they anticipate changes, identify opportunities, and take action before problems arise. For example, a proactive CEO might invest in a new technology or train their team for future skills, ensuring the company stays ahead of the curve. The strength of this approach is that it promotes innovation and it builds competitive edge. However, it requires foresight, resources, and sometimes the courage to take risks. And the reactive leaders, they're flexible and adaptable, making quick decisions to address immediate challenges. And for instance, during sudden market downturn, a reactive leader might cut costs or pivot the business model to survive. The advantage here is agility and crisis management. However, relying on reactive strategies and can lead to short-term fixes and missed opportunities. The key difference lies in their focus. The proactive leaders are future-oriented, and the reactive leaders are present-oriented. By balancing both approaches, they can navigate challenges, seize the opportunities, and drive their organization towards the success. Next slide, please. And let's talk how the leaders can identify these opportunities. So there are many ways to identify the opportunities, but to say some few. The first one is environmental scanning. Leaders constantly monitor the external environment like market trends, competitor actions, and technological advancements. And next one is data-driven insights. By analyzing data and customer feedback, leaders can spot unmet needs and gaps in the market. And the second one is innovation and creativity. Encouraging a culture of experimentation and out-of-the-box thinking allows leaders to discover new possibilities. And next one is also very important one is networking and collaboration. Building strong relationship with industry experts, partners, and stakeholders helps leaders to uncover hidden opportunities. If you can say, for example, Elon Musk collaboration with NASA and other tech leaders have been key to SpaceX success. And the important one is risk taking and experimentation. In leaders who take calculated risks and learn from their failures, they often identify the best opportunities. And now we have learned about the leadership approaches and how they identify opportunities. We will talk more about in our case study how they use in the real world concept scenario. Kuni will continue.
Okay, hi Professor, and now I will talk about business overview and scenarios of company. Our company is event period productions and industry is event management and production, and we founded in this company in 2015. Our mission is to create unforgettable experience by delivering innovative and tailored event solution that exceeds client expectation. We aim to inspire, engage, and connect audience through seamless event execution. And our product is corporate events, social events, concerts and festivals, virtual hybrid events, and event design and branding. Next slide, please. Um, our current business scenario is our company has experienced strong growth recently, particularly with their expansion into virtual and hybrid events. This year has led to a 30% increase in booking, and we have also seen a notable rise in corporate clients, including high-profile companies. Looking ahead, there are several opportunities we focus on. The demand for hybrid and virtual events continues to grow, and clients are increasingly prioritize sustainability in their event planning, which opens up an exciting avenue for eco-friendly solutions. Additionally, we are exploring new technologies like AI and VR, which can provide more immersive and engaging experience for our clients. While we have a strong presence in mid-sized events, we are now aiming to expand into larger scale corporate events and festivals. The industry is competitive with many local players and larger agencies, but our personality, service, and attention to detail give us a strong edge in the market. This is the next part of Emily.
Yes, hello, Professor. My name is Amandeep, and I'm going to talk about the challenges the company facing. First, I will talk about the market saturation. It occurs when a product or service has reached its maximum adoption in market and making it difficult for a company to achieve further growth and without innovation and differentiation or expansion. And high competition from both established agencies and new entrants offering low cost options. Second one is that client retentions. In client retention, difficulty in maintaining long-term relationships and with clients due to the one of the nature of many events, because maintaining long-term relationships with clients can be challenging. Unlike subscription based on recurring services models where customer retention is built into the business structure, event based businesses often face gaps in repeat business because their customers don't need the same service frequently. Third one is the resource constraints, in which the limited staff and budget for scaling operations, especially for large scale events. And these constraints impact execution quality and the ability to handle multiple projects and efficiently. Then fourth one is the adaptation to new technology. Um, in the rapidly evolving events industry, staying ahead of technologically trends is crucial for delivering engaging and memorable experiences. Investing in emerging technologies such as augmented reality, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence, and significantly enhance event planning and execution. Next slide, please. Next, I will talk about the leadership goals for the company. The first goal is expand market reach. It is really important to expand our market, increase in large scale of corporate events and international markets. Then second one is the strengthen client relationships. To build long term relationships through loyalty programs and repeat business incentives. Then third one is the drive innovation. In drive innovation, it is really important to invest in new even technologies like AI and VR, like I told you before, to offer cutting edge experiences. And last one is the improve operational efficiency. In which we will use the streamline process, and the process is a method of improving efficiency by eliminating unnecessary steps, reducing and optimizing workflows, and also to increase staff training to handle larger events in between the few resources. So next will be discussed by Jasleen Kaur.
Hi, Professor. So I'm going to discuss the strategies to overcome the challenges that are coming in way to making out the business successful. The first one is budget constraints. It is the priority of the leaders to allocate the funds to high impact and to negotiate with the stakeholders to maintain the relationships with them. And the second one is technology use. Utilize cost-effective management will automatically reduce the cost, and will be able to buy the more efficient and more effective softwares to streamline the operations of the company. The second one is logistics and planning issues. So there must be a detailed timeline so that it will create a comprehensive project timeline with the milestones and for the team so that they will be able to work on time. And the second one is vendor coordination. It is very important to maintain strong relationship with vendors by maintaining the reliability, and there must have some backup option so that if something is happening with some vendors and stakeholders, so there must be a backup option to maintain the consistency and to maintain the cost of the company. The third one is market and audience reach. After keeping in point the position of the market, it is very important to multi-channel the promotion, which will be very helpful in utilizing the social media, emails, and influencers to increase the awareness among the customers and the stakeholders about the position of the company and the events that we are planning to do and the innovation that we brought out to make it work better. And then press and media partnership will help in expanding the business growth, and which will help in engaging with media for coverage and brand exposure. So in short, we can say after facing all the challenges and uh, seeking the market position, it is very important to take the strategy to make the strategies which are which there are some major factors like innovation, adaptability, and client relationships of the company, which will help in maintaining the growth of the company. And then after implementing all the strategies and analyzing all the situation, the expected outcomes, and the impact of the strategies are increased market share by maintaining a reliable relationship with the vendors and the stakeholders. We can make we can increase our market share by expanding presence in large scale corporate, and which will automatically help in emerging the international events. And then the second one is stronger client loyalty. As I have said that it is very important for a company, in even management company especially, to maintain the relationship with the clients so that uh, more we can bring the more innovation, and we will be able to attract the customers, and we'll be able to maintain the consistency in the company. The third one is enhanced innovation by adopting new technologies, as we have said that artificial intelligence leading to more engaging, that will help in graphic designing and designing of the events, which will especially help in uh, enhancing the event experiences more better. The fourth one is operational efficiency gains by efficiently allocating the funds of the company and allocating the duties of the work. It will be very easier to streamline the processes and optimize the resource allocation and increase the profitability of the company. After, if we know that how we can allocate the funds properly, we will be able to maintain the cost of the company. So in conclusion, we can say the company, after facing the challenges and after implementing the strategies made according to the scenario, the company will be able to tackle the challenges in market situation and the most important, client retention and resource constraints. Secondly, leadership goals also focused on expanding market reach, the same client relationship, and driving innovation, which is the major part. That without innovation, this company, even management, would will be able to survive with the help of innovation only and improving operational efficiency. And key strategies include adopting new technologies, forming partnerships, and enhancing operational workflows to get the organizational success. And the next steps that we are planning to take is begin targeting the large scale corporate and international events. And second one is invest in new technologies to stay competitive in the market according to the scenario of the market. And la- um, and to launch the client loyalty programs and explore long-term constructs according to the customers and stakeholders to retain them. And the third one, last one is streamline internal processes for greater efficiency in cost management and in event management as well. So that's all from our side. Thank you so